Check it out. 2004 CR125. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a new project, 2004 CR125, and I'm going to try and make a profit on it. I just picked this up off Marketplace last night for $3,300. I think that's a pretty good price for these model bikes. It has potential. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna pull apart, clean everything that I possibly can, replace anything that needs to be replaced, and hopefully make a little bit of a profit. It's gonna be a fun little project. I haven't really flipped a bike in regards to trying to make a profit in the past. So yeah, this won't necessarily be a build where I just go over and above like I have with like a 2003 CX125 that I did. This one will sort of just be replace what I need to, make it look as tidy as what I possibly can, and yeah, hopefully try and make some money on it. So this is it. Stay tuned because it's gonna be a fun one. Back to day two, well, kind of like the first main day. Last night I got a little head start stripping this thing apart. I've got a blasting cabinet here. My compressor's pretty small, so my strategy is to basically pull a part off, blast it, put it back on, pull a part off, blast it, put it back on, replace any seals or bearings or anything like that I need to as I go. But yeah, as far as this build or this flip, it's basically just make this thing look as pretty as I can and have it as functional as I possibly can in the shortest amount of time possible. So wish me luck. So far so good. Got a few things off last night, like the front brake and things like that, gave that a blast. So I'll probably put that back on once I clean up the forks and the front wheel and things like that. But I'll probably start maybe from the front and just work my way back and see how I go. But yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. This one should be a fun one. It'll be a quick one, but nonetheless, stoked to make something sick of it. Oh my God. Holy shit. We're back. We're back for day two. We're back for day two of the CR125 flip. Just pull the thing outside. I'm going to give it a good jet wash now that I've gotten the tank and the plastics, the subframe, everything off. I'm going to give it a blast and then I'll probably pull out the motor, or I might even start at the back end and pull off the swing arm, the back wheel, give them a blast, go through those bearings. But yeah, got a lot to do, so I'm going to hook into it now. I'll give it a good jet wash. Hopefully some things come up pretty tidy, but if not, I dare say everything will be getting put straight into the blast cabinet. So give it all a blast, get it looking immaculate. I don't want to spend too much time on this thing. I just want to get it one and done. So here we go. Stupid is what stupid does, and I just did some pretty stupid stuff. Behind me, you'll find a mop on the floor. So I was basically using the cabinet. I had the AirPods in with the noise cancelling on because it is kind of loud, and I had the tap on in the corner, just cleaning a few other things, and I was filling up the sink, forgot about it, didn't hear it, and then now, there's literally water everywhere. Side note, don't wear AirPods, don't have noise cancelling on, and don't leave a tap running. Oh! But we're getting there. Things are starting to come together. It's starting to get pretty clean actually. I definitely want to get that swing arm blasted up too, just so it's immaculate. And then we're rocking and rolling, dude. I'm gonna get that motor out, have it, check it out, give it a little blast if I can, and go from there. But yeah, one thing at a time, man, getting there. Ooh, excuse the mess. Dude, this place is never like this, and I'm about to change it.
Can I get the cold inside?
Yes, stoked, 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 stoked. Just got the frame back. Oh my God, dude. I just ducked into a local engineering shop called Oztech. Went in there today and just gave it a really light sandblast. I wanted to get like that real OEM look. Ended up doing the whole frame. I was just going to kind of do these parts, or the cast parts that the brand new bikes normally have. Just that matte kind of look, and then keep this a little bit glossy. But as I started to do it, I just really liked how I was looking, and I think I'll give this a little bit of a rub down to just gloss it up just the tiniest bit. But man, I'm so hyped with how it all came up like that, combined with the swing arm obviously being like that, more of a gloss finish. Just looks so sick. Like, I'm actually so hyped on it. I had to get a clip now. I was gonna wait till I had it on the stand, but man, look at this thing, dude. Now I'm really starting to get keen. This is when the build really starts. This is where the fun stuff starts. Oh, look at it, it's just so tidy. Oh, today's a good day. Stoked, stoked, stoked. The rebuild sort of starts today. We've got the head, we've got the barrel cleaned up, we've got the motor cleaned up. Everything's looking great now. It's basically put everything back together. So we've got a top end rebuild kit, we've got water pump rebuild, and that's kind of it as far as mechanically. And then today's all about starting to put this bad boy back together. So we've got pretty much all the parts we need to start getting this bike back together, and I'm freaking hyped on it. It's taken me a little bit longer to source some of the parts and products that I've needed, but today we should be able to make a big dent. I don't have all the parts, but we should get this thing back to almost looking like a dirt bike today, and that excites me. So let's get into it. plastics time. Or this is when things start to get a little bit exciting. It's starting to take shape now. So plastics, we've still got a few other things to do, but I'm waiting on a couple parts. So in the meantime, I'm gonna start putting on some plastics that aren't gonna get in the way of the rest of the build, and yeah, really start to see how this thing's looking. And this is the fun part. This is the bonus part. Boom, she's sold. So there goes the CR. Josh sold it, 6,900. Pretty happy with that price. I think by the time you tally up everything that I've put into it, which is just here, I think by the time you tally everything up that I've just put into it, plus my labor, there was a lot of labor that went into this thing. But nonetheless, dude, sold the bike within 48 hours, which I'm stoked on. It was priced to sell, and it did. He's stoked on it. He's gonna keep it as an ornament and ride it just a little bit. He used to own that type of bike, so shout out to Josh. I hope you really enjoy the bike, brother, and yeah, on to the next one. Hope you enjoyed watching. Like, subscribe, share. Let's get more of these project builds happening. It's something that I absolutely love and I want to do more and more and more of. So thank you for your support. I'll see you guys on the next one.